Sliding window from Vinyl Pro Window Systems. How to open it. Two main locks. You'll be able to flip them open and slide the window any way you wish. This one also tilts inside the room. To do that, from closed position, you want to make sure you open the locks, slide it a little bit, pin at the bottom, pin at the top. Squeeze them together, support the window a little bit, and turn it 90 degrees. In this position, the pivot shoes have expanded and prevented from sliding. When you're done washing it, give it a little support at the bottom and guide it back into the tracks. Then you can close it, lock it, all done.